Great home, pre-inspected. Floors have been refinished. 2015 HVAC replaced upstairs and down, 2015 granite and backsplash. Gas stove 2. Hunter blinds added 2015 as well as updated shower. Sunroom off family room. Crown molding everywhere. Updated powder room. Smooth ceilings. No HOA. Many more updates and improvements. Court neighborhood so diminished traffic. Most bedrooms have 2 closets. Oversized side entry garage with storage shelves. Totally fenced in backyard with deck reinforced for hot tub. This one won't last.